Hi everyone, I am Mustafa. We are together again in a new demo video, and I will introduce my process wizard widget. I didn't develop this new one. Yes, it works. There are two types, arrow types and also critical types, and it works like this. Yeah, this do you know? Yeah, what the important is that how can we configuration all these things, and let's go to the Mendix backside. As you see, there are two widgets here. These are the which I showed. I showed it just now. Yes, these are two widgets, and I will give an example of. So I will. Okay, let's go to the here and process wizard. And here there are two options. One of them is the arrow. The other one is the circle. And as you see, which one you want to use, you can select. And for the steps, I will select them. One attribute, string attribute. But if it is persistable entity, that's better works. And wizard list, and let's add test one. And if you want, you can select show page or call another microflow, nanoflow, which one you want. It's up to your scenario. And I selected one. And yes, of course, I will add more test 2 and show page, and let's select the home page. Okay, after you add everything, okay, you can go to the style, and there are so many settings here. Okay, let me open it. This is the background color. This one is the font size and font color, and bold normal about the font, and visited step color and current step color, and radius you can change, but if you select the critical, you should of course, maybe you know, but I want to remind, you will rise up this one, for example, like this. After that, you will see the critical position. And for now, let's do make this one 0, and hover color, and hover font color, and distance. This one is the distance between the steps. I mean, here you can, if you want, you can change this one. Okay, let's make it smaller this time. And show triangle. This one is the, if you want, if you want to show the here, you will put this one yes. If you don't want it's visible, it's not visible, you will select none. For now, I select this one yes. Yeah, triangle default color. If you select yes, this means that the color will be the same with the steps. If you, yeah, background color, I mean, and if you select the no, you can select triangle on color from here. Okay, and border color, and you can design also this. Okay, I will make like this and this one. Okay, let's say okay, and let's see the differences. As you see, just there are two here, this one, and like it works like this. As you see here, is not, didn't change. Let's make here, all right, yes. Where is it? Okay, if I select here yes, it will behave like with the others. Yes, as you see now, it is like this. Okay, let's add more. And test 3. Okay, show page, step 4. Alright, alright. Okay, let's run it. Yes, edit. Yes, it works like this. If you want to make critical, you will select this one, and you can change here, for example, this one, and Yes, you should make here the equal. That's better. Okay, let's make here 100 and okay. Let's see the example. Yes. Here is the so near each other. For that reason, I will configure the distance. Yes. For example, 20. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, if you want, you can make more. Maybe yes. Just let me. Maybe I think 100. Yes, it will be more. I think. Yeah, that's all I will say. See you next videos.